just want to do my job, and the vaccine let me do that.
It's hard to believe, but it's been exactly 1 year since the first vaccines were given to Manitoba frontline healthcare workers. They and those who immunized them were honored in the province on Thursday.
Receiving the vaccine allowed me to go back to looking after my patients in urgent care, on the hospital wards, in assisted living facilities, and in their homes.
Dr. Brian Sharkey was one of the first 3 frontline workers to get vaccinated at the University of Manitoba Bannatyne campus.
I'm more comfortable practicing in my office knowing that I am much less likely to transmit COVID to my patients or bring it home to my family.
What I quickly realized that day and in the subsequent days to follow was what it meant to all of the people that sat in the chair in front of me.
Lorianne Lamery gave Dr. Sharkey his first vaccine dose. She says it was a happy day of hope, but also of sadness.
I just saw and heard so many of the stories of what my colleagues had seen in the months previous to the first vaccine being delivered.
Over the year, we've gone from the first vaccine to now 2,300,000 vaccines being administered in province. We've moved from 1 dose to 2, and now a booster shot for more and more Manitobans each day. And now kids between 5 and 11 are rolling up their sleeves to join the vaccinated.
To be able to look at this and say, a year later, we already have been able to get vaccines out to certain children. Now we're going to likely be able to move towards the 0 to 5 age group in the not too distant future. That's really important.
Dr. Jason Kinderchuk has been embedded in the fight against COVID-19 since its discovery. He says with the year of data on vaccines, it's clear how great of an impact they've had. 84% of all eligible Manitobans have at least 1 dose of the vaccine, and 78% have 2. He commends Manitobans for their uptake and the vaccine task force for their work. But with 23 active COVID-19 patients in ICU, 21 of which are unvaccinated, he knows there is still work to be done to protect Manitobans.
Let's keep trying to, kind of gain, feet and inches where we can. Every percentage point or partial percentage point counts at this point.
In Winnipeg, Mike Albanese, City News.